What is the history of assault weapons bans in the U.S.? Have you ever wondered how the United States came to have laws around assault weapons? The story begins with the federal assault weapons ban, enacted in 1994. This law was part of the Violent Crime Control and Law Enforcement Act signed by President Bill Clinton. It aimed to address growing concerns about gun violence and mass shootings. The ban specifically prohibited the manufacture, transfer, and possession of certain semi-automatic firearms defined as assault weapons. It also targeted large-capacity ammunition magazines that held more than 10 rounds. In total, the law identified 19 types of military-style firearms, including well-known models like the R-15, Tech-9, and MAC-10. However, it is important to note that the ban only applied to firearms manufactured after its enactment date. This meant that any weapons already owned by individuals remained legal. The push for this ban was fueled by public outcry following tragic events, such as a 1989 incident in Stockton, California, where a semi-automatic rifle was used to kill 5 children. This incident, among others, led to earlier actions, including a ban on importing semi-automatic rifles by President George H.W. Bush in 1989. The 1990 ban sought to find a balance between public safety and the rights of recreational gun users. It received bipartisan support, with endorsements from former Presidents Gerald Ford, Jimmy Carter, and Ronald Reagan. A poll from 1993 showed that 77% of Americans supported banning the manufacture, sale, and possession of such weapons. The ban included a sunset clause, meaning it was set to expire after 10 years. This expiration occurred in September 2004. During its decade of enforcement, research on the ban's effectiveness was limited and inconclusive. While it did not significantly reduce overall homicide rates, there is some evidence suggesting it may have lowered fatalities and injuries in mass shootings, where assault weapons are more commonly used. After the ban expired, attempts to renew or strengthen it faced challenges in Congress. Advocacy for gun control continues, but the political landscape remains divided. The National Rifle Association and other groups oppose renewed restrictions. The end of the ban marked a notable moment in the ongoing debate over gun rights and public safety in the United States. From a liberal viewpoint, the 1990 assault weapons ban was an effort to protect public safety while respecting individual rights through targeted regulation. It reflected the belief that political freedom includes the right to live without the threat of mass violence. The failure to renew the ban highlights the ongoing struggle to balance individual rights with collective security in American gun policy. This history serves as a reminder of the complexities involved in crafting effective gun control measures that aim to reduce harm while respecting lawful gun ownership.